Hi, it's Will from StormTheCastle.com, and here on YouTube you know me as Epic Fantasy, and this is my latest tutorial. This is given to us by Daniel Lapidow, the master blacksmith from the Blacksmith of Trenton. It's another episode of my Medieval America series, and in this video he shows us how to make a beautiful fire poker. See, and there's a lot of different techniques you're going to learn in this. It's a terrific tutorial for beginners. Daniel takes us through the process of how to do all of this, how to taper, how to square taper, how to round, how to twist, and how to do it all very simply without a lot of tools. You don't even need tongs. This is Daniel Lapidow. He is a master blacksmith at the Trenton Blacksmith, right?
Blacksmith of Trenton.
The Blacksmith of Trenton, and he's going to do a tutorial for us. So go ahead, take it from there, Daniel.
I'm going to make a simple fire poker that involves no welding. You don't need tongs. It's something you can do in your backyard forge. I have 34 inches of 3/8 square. You heat up, and we're going to start with making the poker part. Then we'll make a handle and put a nice twist in it. Nice. So I'm going to start by heating up my coal forge. I'm ready to start. I start by taking the top, just the edge of the material on the corner of the anvil, and make a nice sharp point. 1, 2, 3, 90 degrees, 1, 2, 3. Nice sharp point, just straighten out. Now with still some heat, I'm going to use my anvil as a measuring tool. I'm going to hit down half on, half off. Set that little shoulder in, and just flatten it a little bit. So I got some flatness, so I'm going to kick to the side and just clean out the cover. So now I have flat area for my poker. The indent where I'm going to do the bend. And I can heat up again.
Now you mentioned using your anvil as a measuring tool. What do you mean by that?
So I'm going to put the material as long as my anvil. So when I took my material out, so I know, so my material is that long. So I'm just using it as a gauge to know where to bend. Now with this heat, where my little dent was, I'm going to hit down, bring it down. Now I have that little bend. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to heat up right here and bend it a little bit more to get a nice little curve in it. So I'm going to put it with the tip up to the fire to get that little end that's hot. So I want this section hot. So I'm going to cool off the curl at the top so I can hit it. This is just mild steel, so I can pull it. Put it over the horn and hit down right on the point. Now I'm going to come here, hit down back here, and then hit where I cool it off and hit it again. And that gives you somewhere for the coals to go. Straight. And now, in this heat, I'm going to come here and just twist it. So I can do it in this heat so I don't have to clean it up again.
It's just beautiful. It's a great line. Wow, you've done it a lot.
So I'm going to go to the vise, get my vise ready. My twisting wrench is just a monkey wrench with a piece of rebar bolted to it. You can use one without a piece of rebar.
Sure.
Very much. Right, make sure to tell myself.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for the report.
Something. And that'll work.
And I can cool off again, just the end.
Yeah,
This way.
Excuse me? Yes.
Camera. And just grab the head. Yeah. see how it's bent, I can come here. Try not to hit the curl. I mean twist. So I don't want to nibble it. And that's the first step. Now we're going to make a little handle for it. So I'm going to straight. I'm just going to pull this off. Like you hold it. Just in water.
Yeah. It was just for starting. Yeah, they fill it up. Saturday.
Same process of making the poker end. I'm going to come to the anvil. Sharp point. Straight. On my next heat, I'm going to take this and go to the horn and draw it out, stretch it out.
Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it.
Come to the horn.
He's gonna finish up the tutorial and then he'll go working on it.
Once I'm done here, I'll be done in like 5 minutes. You can use the forge. Now I'm going to clean it up from using the horn and fuller.
Young or older? Older. How many times have you done
Now, I make a curl,
All right.
make a handle, I'm going to go with the vise again.
All right.
Make that, bring the curl around, make it hook. Now I'm going to cool off that curl. Nice.
The poke around here. Okay.
And get down.
Okay. Just off.
That way I get this like nice little set corner. Down nice. That little warp. Now, we're going to this section, put twisting it, and we'll be done.
that half-inch square?
Yeah.
And we'll start from there.
I'm planning on putting it at the end of the tank and then sandwich like through the pieces to make the handle.
First start with half-inch, just so you know, get a practice with, and then you do on the easy one.
Okay.
Alright?
See that it's burning up a little bit, so I want to push it a little further in the fire.
Is that burning?
Control where my heat is. Yeah, so now I'm going to cool off that. Again, make it difficult. Poker end.
Yeah, I'll use it. Just clean it. Yeah.
Quick.
And I like to have the curl at the end, offset the poker. Gives a nice handle, so I can do it before I stop.
Watch it.
Alright, that all works.
Let's see how my twist is. the anvil.
We left one of the tools in customer's car, and I couldn't finish this real well.
That's not wire brush.
Why was it? Oh, I'm gonna use it.
Get your material for it.
Poke a hole in that, see if you get it. Poke a hole in that, so you don't smoke us out of the shop.
It smells like a blacksmith shop, isn't it?
I like it.
And the sulfur. Oh, yeah.
And there we have a little fire poker done without welding. So you can make
That's beautiful.
for your friends and family.
And you did say you're going to let me have that, right?
You can have it.
All right, yes. Because I'll need to get pictures of it so I can break it up as to what you did.
Yeah, no problem.
And I'll be able to put that on the website. Does that sound like a good reason?
Yes, you can have it. Just do anymore. There we go.
That's it. Okay, so that was another episode of Medieval America where we visit a blacksmith shop and we learn how to make a fire poker, a wonderful fire poker. And if you're not familiar with the series, I'm traveling all around America visiting medieval sites and visiting some of the more popular sites in America too. All 48 continental states I'm visiting. And let me see, next up tutorial will be how to make a ram's head. Another blacksmith at the Blacksmith of Trenton is going to show us that tutorial. It'll be wonderful. I got a lot of stuff coming. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me in my quest, check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, if you're interested in blacksmithing, make sure you check out the section of my website for blacksmithing. I have hundreds of tutorials in there. A lot of wonderful stuff, how to make a forge, how to do all kinds of things. Thank you very much. Share this video with your friends. Till next time. Bye.